Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a high-converting landing page using Wix AI so you can launch a professional studio quality campaign in 2026, bypass the amateur quality manual design grind, and use technical agents to turn candid visitor interest into real-world leads. First, initiate the AI chat onboarding. The first step is a mechanical necessity for the 2026 workflow. Instead of staring at a blank page, you'll candidly collaborate with the Wix AI to define your professional goals and target audience. Log in to your Wix dashboard and click Create New Site. Choose the Wix AI website builder and click Start Chat. The AI will ask, "What's your landing page's main goal?" Provide a specific professional answer like, "I want to capture leads for my 2026 technical software tutorial series." In 2026, the AI uses these candid details to technicality map out a single-page structure that prioritizes conversion. By defining your goal early, you ensure the high-end studio results match your 2026 bookkeeping and growth targets. Next, define your studio brand identity. Once the goal is set, you need to technicality guide the AI on the visual and verbal tone of your professional 2026 brand. Answer the AI's prompts regarding your business name, industry, and desired expert tone. If the AI suggests a tone that feels amateur quality, use the Help Me Answer feature to technicality refine the prompt toward a high-end, modern technical aesthetic. This interaction is the mechanical necessity that prevents your page from looking like a generic template. It candidly builds a unique site profile that informs every design choice the technical engine makes in the next step. Next, generate the AI landing page design. Now you let the 2026 technical engine perform its primary movement. In 2026, the AI doesn't just give you a layout, it builds a complete studio experience, including tailored copy and widgets. Click Generate Site once the chat is complete. Watch as the AI technicality assembles your hero section, social proof blocks, and lead capture forms. If the first 2026 layout isn't perfect, click Regenerate Design to see a fresh, candid variation. The AI is technicality selecting high-end 2026 color palettes and fonts that align with your professional market analysis. It ensures your landing page looks authoritative and studio-grade in seconds. And that's pretty much it. To create a landing page with Wix AI in 2026, chat with the AI to define your professional goals and brand identity. Let the technical engine generate your studio design, then use AI layout tools to candidly refine your conversion elements and headlines. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.